What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today, doing another unboxing. Got a food processor from KitchenAid. Let's do this. Alright, got some new stuff from KitchenAid. Well, at least one. I've been waiting on this. So, how we gonna get this out? It's just fancy box. Hold on here a sec. Alright. It's like Christmas time. Alright, it's a KitchenAid food processor. It's supposed to have a bunch of fancy gadgets here that we're going to enjoy and play with. The bunch of fancy gadgets that we're going to play with and enjoy. Go around here so we can see what we're doing. Let's crack the box open. It's got a lot of things I gotta figure out. Got a nice little storage case for all the little fancy doodads. This here was the thing that really caught my eye that made me want it. It does the dicing. So whenever I want to do some pico or maybe just dice some things up for I'm tearing stuff up, y'all. Dice up some veggies for a recipe. Do that with ease. A nice, very nice bowl for mixing in. Of course, the motor for it all. Throw it down. We don't need that box anymore. All the toys are right here, so we don't need nothing extra. Of course, the manual gives us an idea of what we're doing. Let's check what the motor does here. How much we got? It's got more toys than I ever thought of. This is going to be very, very fun to work with. It's a 3-function motor on it. We got a high, low, pulse. It don't say how many horsepowers, but I think I can fire my truck up with it. So, if I need to pull something or, maybe put this on the back of my boat, I think we can run it. In this toy box here, we got all kind of crazy stuff in here. Slicing blades, dicing blades, serrating blades. Got one with serrated edges. I'm gonna cut something to somebody. Let's say this is for cleaning. Brush my teeth maybe. We'll find out. So, lots and lots of toys to play with here. And we're definitely going to see this in future videos. It's hot in this kitchen. I'm sweating. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Once again, KitchenAid. It's a food processor. Been eyeballing it for a long time. And I finally got it. Got more stuff coming in, so stick to it, hang with me, and see what comes up next. Got a lot of stuff coming, so stick with me, hang in there with me, and see what we do next. So subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about me. We're almost to 1,000. Let's go.